All right, we've got a 2020 Sylvan L3 Series CLZ. Two-tune. Some nice loungers up front here. Speakers down below. This is going to go either way. You can sit forward when you're with the captain. If you got a lot of people, pull it back. And then we're going to sit in this area. Same thing back here. We got the big bed. But if we need to, we can just push it back like that. And now we have a nice seat here for everybody. Great little storage space here on the side and a bench. Comes equipped with a barbecue already. Nice rails back here to keep pets and kids and everybody feeling safe. Very nice helm. Got a depth finder, your trim gauge, pretty much all the gauges that you need right here. Kicker sound system. Bimini's in great shape. Yeah, come take a look. This boat's in really good shape. It's ready for a new home. Thanks.